Guys, and welcome back to another crypto trader video. And in this video we are going to be doing some more price chart analysis. So before we get right into this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out the description for a free Telegram channel where we give out signals for free. So let's get started. So first we have is BTC USDT. So mostly, as you can see, BTC has been ranging since for quite a long time between these two, like support and resistance. Mostly it's been ranging between 60k and these 50k range. So like if we draw these zones out, this would be the 50k zone and this should be the 60k zone if we extend it. So once we break through it, we would see some upward rise in Bitcoin, and if not, like if we break to the downside, and then like it should be the start of the bear market if we break through it. So but yeah, the chances are less compared to these zones. Like I'm most likely expecting BTC to break above this 60k zone, 60k resistance, and expecting BTC to break to the upward side and eventually reach to the target of 72k. And this 72k target has been like pointed out in most of the videos. So let's see how it plays out. And then I'm expecting like BTC to stabilize over there, and then the alt should go on the parabolic rise. Next, currently the support of BTC is at 56.4k, and then the next support is around 53k. So the next support of BTC is 56.4k, and then it is at 53k. So I'm expecting like BTC to retest these zones and then eventually bounce up to these 60k zone. And if this support doesn't hold, then 53k support should hold. So let's see how this thing plays out. Then next we have Ethereum USDT. So in Ethereum, like we had these like we broke out these resistances, and eventually we had this rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish, but it didn't play out, and we broke to the upside, and then eventually we started going upwards. So like if people were asking like where should we buy Ethereum, so most probably like if you are interested in buying these zones should be good. Like we can consider buying over here, some over here. This can also be a good zone for buying, and then eventually some over here. So basically at 3500, around 35,500, and then at 3200 around should be the buying zones. But personally I won't recommend buying ETH at all. Like there are other coins, alts, which can outperform Ethereum in the upcoming days. So let's see, like ETH is making new all-time highs, so no resistance upward. Let's see where this thing stops. So next we have Litecoin USDT. So Litecoin is also making new highs as we speak. So like this was the zones, these were the zones of Litecoin. So if we get a chance of buying Litecoin somewhere around these zones, buy a small bag over here around 365 and the major bag around 330. Expecting Litecoin to go around 440 in upcoming days. It can, like, surely it can touch this and goes 440 and 500. Like I won't be surprised to see it at 500, and like eventually like 1k target is also possible in this bull run. So let's see how it plays. So immediate support is here, and like a strong support is over here, and then if we fall down, like we can consider some buying over around 270, but like I would consider mostly around 250. Like it's a round number, and like there should be quite a lot of support over here. So let's see. So next we have is XRP USDT. So XRP chart looks quite interesting to me, like as we had inverse head and shoulder over here, over here, and we had this left shoulder head and the right shoulder over here. We broke out, we retested it, and then we had this bull flag over here, so which is a double breakout for the XRP, and we are currently now retesting it. So let's see how this thing also plays out. So expecting some big moves in XRP, like expecting it to once it retests and breaks that 1.70 cent, then expecting like it should go something like this. First like retest of this, and if we break, then retest of this, or we might not retest these zones, we retest this as support, and then we eventually go to our all-time highs. So let's see, like XRP looks very bullish to me, like we had two like patterns confirming the bullish, and we have two breakout. So yeah, I'm still buying XRP over here. Would buy more XRP somewhere around these ranges, and somewhere around these ranges as well. So let's see how this thing also plays out. Like I'm expecting, like I'm very bullish on XRP overall. So next we have TRX. So TRX zones are these. Like currently it's hitting a resistance, so like if we don't break this and hold this, like most expected, like we can fall to these local supports of this 1.3, and there is this major support of 0.11, and 0.13 is like a kind of a minor support, so not expecting much action over here. But yeah, we can still bounce, like we had some wicks and we bounced up. So like if there is some major correction, most probably will fall to these zones. Things are like expecting to buy over here most probably, and once we break this retest of here would be a buy zone as well. So price targets would be, the first target can be these previous highs of that 0.17, or yeah, and then let's see if it reaches there, then we'll figure out the next targets. So that's all for today's videos, guys. Let's make sure you like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out the description for a free Telegram channel. Till then, have a great day. See ya. Bye bye.